Hello, welcome to EventsFrame. This video is going to walk you through setting up your first event, creating tickets, creating discounts, and then ultimately publishing and sharing your event with your potential attendees. If you are watching this video, you are probably at the EventsFrame events dashboard. What you can see here is a list of our upcoming events. First of all, if you're new to EventsFrame, you probably don't have any events here just yet. If you're organizing paid events, you need to set up the method of payment. You need to go to your account settings. Just click on your name, and under Account Settings, you go to the Payment Integrations tab. Then you can connect PayPal or other payment methods. There's a help article already built in here, but essentially, you need your PayPal client ID and your client secrets. Follow the help article if you're not sure about these and set it up securely. We're then going to create our first event. Click on the blue Create New Event button. We encourage you to check the Use New Design for Event page box for the whole new experience. When creating a new event, firstly, you need to enter a name. You'll also need a location and dates for the event. You set up the time zone. In this case, our conference is going to be in London, so you just search for London and then we go ahead and create the event. You can go ahead and add some details under the description tab. Make this description as attractive as possible. Lastly, we're gonna style our event. Make sure your event's landing page is visually pleasing to customers by uploading the header image. Upload or drag and drop it into the box. Save that and go to Edit the Theme Colors. You are able to customize your header background color. You can also customize some texts and labels if needed. Go to the Registration tab. This is where you enable your payment options. You need to confirm that this is a paid event and choose the currency. Next, you can choose the payment methods. In this case, we're choosing Stripe and offline payment. Then you go to the Tickets tab and add a new ticket. You have to give it a name, description, ticket price, and number of available tickets. In case you want your ticket to be NFT, just tick "This is an NFT ticket" and open NFT Creator. Upload or drag and drop the image and publish NFT. Select the style and add the ticket. Optionally, you are able to add a discount. You may want to use discounts for an early bird offer or any other type of ticket. You may also want to give your customers a discount code. Once you've done that, you're ready to go ahead and click on the link to publish your event. You've published the event and you can see the event's landing page now. Just share the link and start selling the tickets. Your sold tickets will be displayed in the Orders tab where you can also find the attendee details. You can download CSV file with your orders and attendees.